What's the meaning of CB? CB. CB.
CB. CB. CB can have multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a variety of things, such as a bank, a chemical element, or a type of radio transmission. In the world of business, CB is occasionally used as an abbreviation for cash balance, which is the amount of money held by a company in its accounts and available for immediate use. In summary, the term CB lacks a specific definition without additional context, and its meaning can vary significantly depending on the situation in which it's used.